Hello, inventors. Today is a big day because you're going to write your first ever Arduino code and make an LED blink. That's right, we're not just building circuits now, we're starting to program them. So let's get started. What you'll need is one LED, one resistor, breadboard, jumper wires, an Arduino board, and a USB cable that came with your Arduino. So let's set up. Here goes my resistor here, positive. My long leg goes first, like that. Long leg goes here, and then we're going to connect. Always use black for ground if you have black. Let's connect this to ground. And then instead of using the positive plus 5 volts here, you're going to use the pin number 13 because that's what we're going to use today. And I'll just tell you why in a second. Okay, pin 13 goes in. That's our circuit. It's complete now. So now let's open up our Arduino IDE app, uh, the one that I gave you an assignment to download from the internet. So let's open up our Arduino. There you go. And that is what the screen should look like. You'll see something like what you see on the screen. There's a setup loop here where you set up the code. You'll tell everything what input pins you're going to use. Like we're going to use 13. We'll tell the code that we're going to use 13 here, and then we'll use the loop code. So the setup code here, it runs once, and this one, as it says, put your main code here to run repeatedly, so it keeps on running in a loop. That's why it's called the loop. So now let's type in our code. First, we're going to set up which pin we're going to use. So we're going to use pin 13. Let's go enter pinMode 13, and now we're going to tell it if it's an output or an input. This one is an output. We're going to use that. Then to complete the code, we're going to do that. So always be careful to use the right uh, letters. So like you have to use this in all caps, otherwise it won't work. So we've set up our pin mode. 13 is high, so we've put in 13 here, and 13 on that IDE app is output, set as output. So we'll be using this as an output for our Arduino, for our circuit here. So now let's write up our loop code. We're going to you do a simple blinking code. So right here, digital, right? There you go. It goes yellow, which means we've input the right thing. So we'll put it high. That means we'll be turning it on, and then we'll give it a delay, which is in milliseconds. Delay 1000 milliseconds means we'll be blinking it for 1 second, and then we'll put digital write. We turned the light on for 1 second. Now we have to turn it off, so we'll give it a low command. Low means off. Then we'll delay 1000. Has to be. So that is our basic code, very basic. And now we're going to upload it. But first, let's break it down. So setup here, setup runs when the Arduino turns on, loop here. This runs repeatedly forever. Pin mode 13 high, we just set pin mode 13 uh, to get to send signals output. So like the signals are going out into our circuit. And then we wrote digitalWrite high 13, which means pin 13 is high, it's on. Then we give it a delay. Delay is in milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds equals 1 second. And then we give it a digitalWrite low, which means returning 13, pin 13 off. So high means plus 5 volts, low means 0 volts. Okay, so now plug your Arduino into your computer. We're going to flip it around and plug it in. So it does not work right now. Then you're going to upload it. This does verify upload. So we have a problem which says spin mode was not declared in this scope. So that means we've put something wrong here. Let's see what's some problem. That is it. Not give it caps. So now upload. Just compiling. Done compiling. Okay. So now, after we've done compiling, let's see what our output looks like. It's blinking for 1 second. And it's blinking on and off. Okay, so now that our LED is working, we'll just run some different codes. I have one that is for fast blinking. So I'll give all of them to you. We've got heartbeat and a Morse code, which says SOS. And let's just run the fast one here. All of these are void loops, so just copy and paste your. Alright, kids. So now that your 1 second blinking code is working, now let's just change some values here. So we're gonna use something for 0.2 seconds, like here. We'll use 200 milliseconds or 20 milliseconds to see what change does that do. So let's get on it. Change this value to see what difference does it make. So 1000, we'll just change it to 200. And this one 200. So only we've changed some values, two values only. Let's see what difference that makes. Okay, and see, this is the fast blinking code. So the light is blinking faster because we're turning it on for 0.2 seconds and turning it off for 0.2 seconds. So it's a faster blink. And so that's it, your first real code here. You just made the Arduino do something using instructions you wrote, and that's called real programming. I've added some other fun blink patterns in your worksheet that you can try yourself, like a heartbeat and an SOS signal. See you in the next lesson, inventors.